I think, first of all, I want to clarify a couple points about stem cell. I think in this context, it's mostly about mesenchymal stem cell you're talking about. Of course, it has been derived from many different sources, including human and also like from mouse. Those are the most common ones used for experiment. I'm sure it has been derived from different sources, but for human use, I think you will use the source from human. That's hard to, really to say which country. I think most of the work is done in the US, and if you look back for the first source of stem cells people use for therapy, that must be the hematopoietic stem cells, that has been used, for many, many years. And I think US has done a lot of research on everything stem cell. Okay. Like if you talk about embryonic stem cell, yes, it was first derived in the US, like in 95 it's from non-human primate, and then in 98 it was from human. You look at the mouse embryonic stem cell, it was first derived also in US, like in the early 80s. Well, if you think this way, like stem cell, look at the embryonic stem cell was first isolated in 98. And that was from an in vitro fertilized embryo. And then in 2006, iPS cells called induced pluripotent stem cell was derived from mouse, the source, and then in 2007 from human. And then since then, the past decade or two, there is just a huge advance in terms of stem cell research. At the time when we first used embryonic stem cell in the earlier 2000s, we could barely culture the cells. It's so difficult just to culture the cells, let alone to make them into different type of the cells. Today is very routine, pretty much any lab can be trained to do so. So it is a huge advancement, in my opinion.